Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare bread banana balls. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken 5 slices of white bread, 1 banana. I have taken plantain 1 banana, ripe one, 5 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, 6 tablespoons of jaggery powder or gur, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee. For frying, oil, and this is the regular cow's milk for dipping the bread. You can take as you need it. So let's see how we are going to prepare this. For making this bread banana ball, we have to make stuffing. For that I have kept one pan. Now the pan is hot. In that I am going to add ghee, I have chopped banana into small pieces. So this banana I am going to add in this ghee. Try to take nicely ripe banana. Once the banana becomes soft, after 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to add the jaggery powder which we have taken. Mix well. Once the jaggery start to melt, we can add the coconut, fresh grated coconut. Keep the flame always in the medium. Mix well. Once all the mix combined well, add the cardamom powder and mix well. If you want, you can add more ghee if you like. After giving a good mix, switch off the flame. Now the stuffing is ready. For frying, I have kept one pan and the oil is hot now. So let's see how we are going to make these balls. For that, now I am going to dip the bread pieces in this milk. You can take each slice and squeeze it. Squeeze out complete milk and you can stuff it with the banana mix. And you can make a ball shape by binding together. Like this, and you can fry it in the oil. We can take the third bread slice and dip it in the milk. As the jaggery is sweet, I didn't add any sugar to the milk. If you want, you can add sugar. Once we make the ball, we can keep it in the oil. Make sure each side cooked well. As you can see, it's all changed to a good golden brown color. Keep the flame in the medium. This bread ball cooked well and all sides are cooked well. So you can take it out from the oil and keep it in the paper napkin to absorb more oil. The bread banana balls are ready. It's very easy to make. It's a good snack for kids and it's a tea time snack. You can enjoy with your tea. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.